Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. This will be a quick tutorial only. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone. Now from here, you need to click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you need to find Pages. Click on Pages. Now, this is the page who invited me to become their admin, and I want to remove myself from that Facebook page. So what you're gonna do is to click on the three dots beside Promote. Tap on that, and you'll see this option. Now you just need to click on Remove Yourself from Page. Tap on that. And you just need to write your Facebook password. And there you go. That's how you remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.